Moss was among the first land plants to evolve out of the ocean roughly 450 million years ago. It grows everywhere, from the world's harshest landscapes to cracks in the sidewalk, which may be why it's so easy to overlook. But could this ancient organism offer a glimpse into our planet's future?
We have Kindbergia oregana, Plictrichum moss, Rhytidiadelphis loris, Hylocomium splendens, Amblystesiaceae moss. I can see at least 5 or 6 species of moss just with a very cursory assessment here. But then once you get closer and closer to what you're looking at, you'll notice more that'll start to pop out. When you study moss, you have to slow down your pace, get lower towards the ground. This brings you into what's called the boundary layer. This is an area where it's relatively still. There's this zen quality to really getting in touch with moss. And this is getting in touch with the ecosystem at large.
There are at least 130 described moss species within the Hoh Rainforest area itself.
One in particular is this big moss that kind of festoons and dangles down off of the branches. That's called Selaginella oregana. This right here is Rhytidiadelphis loris. Commonly covers everything from soil to the bases of trees. This is Connocephalum conicum. This is a liverwort. This one here is Plagium nium insigne. Badge moss is its common name. This is one of the first mosses you learn as a student of biology in the Pacific Northwest. This was Hylocomium splendens. You can see that there is maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years of growth. Mosses are among a group of plants called Bryophyta. A bryophyte is a plant that does not have the ability to transport water through its tissues. Therefore, they're small and they're very old.
They grow on top of other things, on the surface of trees, on the surface of boulders, even on concrete. And they are absorbing all of the water coming in from the ocean, from the sky, and the humidity that's created and kept within the shady environments of these big forests.
Bryophytes provide basically temperature and moisture buffering to germinating seedlings of all these plants that we're surrounded by. So they protect the soil in a way.
Some of the mosses sequester carbon along with the soil that they hold up in the canopy. So canopy soil under mosses actually has more carbon and nitrogen and phosphorus in the canopy than do the below ground storage.
When there's high enough annual precipitation, you get this growing. And this is in the family Sphagnaceae, and this is otherwise known as peat moss. Don't overlook the green backdrop of the forest. You can see the diversity in moss if you just slow down and you look closely at the small things around you. It's full of complexities, it's full of wonder, it's full of amazement and reward.